Hello there, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to make some pasta and a pasta sauce. So what we're doing today is a ground beef or minced beef with cream, tomatoes and vegetables. It is really delicious, doesn't take that long. Now please get your pasta ready because we're not going to talk about that again. We're going to concentrate just on the sauce. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So at the back, 1 can of tomatoes, that's 400 ml, 1 onion, ground beef, there's 600 grams there, equal parts here as you can see, roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like a cup or two each of mushrooms, bell peppers, eggplant, zucchini, and these are a tablespoon each, chopped garlic, green pesto, dried oregano or oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of skillet, pan or wok like I have here. Got some olive oil in there. Going to drop in our onion. And to that we're going to add the beef, ground beef, minced beef, whatever you call that. And we're on a above medium heat. We're going to work this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. So there you go, just starting to brown and break down. We'll now add our garlic. Salt, ground black pepper, and our dried herb of choice, which we're using oregano today. And then I'm going to add my hardest vegetable. Today it's eggplant. So if you're using carrots, celery, things like that, you'd get them in first. Things like zucchini, peppers and mushrooms would go in later. Another 4 to 5 minutes on this lively heat. Keep it moving. Okay, let's get some other veg in now. Mushrooms, we've got some fresh mushrooms there. Zucchini and bell peppers. Now you can be adding any vegetables you want. Maybe a few olives in here might be nice, for example, black or green olives. Again, another 4 to 5 minutes, keeping it moving. Really looking fantastic right now. Okay, we're going to add those tomatoes, that 1 can of tomatoes, which I've just roughly chopped with my hand. I'm going to get that tablespoon of green pesto in. And I'm going to add a little cup of cold water. You could be using some white wine if you wanted. Little mix, and what we're going to do is lower the heat down, not to a simmer, above a simmer, and we're going to let this go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Really got to cook those tomatoes out. We don't want that tin tomato or canned tomato flavour. Lid on, no need to touch it. It's in about 6 or 7. Okay, let's jump in. Oh, that's looking fabulous, that is. Check that for salt and pepper. Now if you want, you can have it just like this, but we're going to be adding cream to our one, but yeah, it will work just like this if you want. But like I say, we're going to add some cream here. I'm using a thick cream, doesn't matter if you use a thick or a thin cream. We've got like 200 ml there. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. There's 2 tablespoons there. Just get the heat up a little bit. Give this a little mix in for about 2 minutes. And this is done. Absolutely wonderful. I suppose the only other thing you could put in is some chopped parsley or chopped basil maybe at the end. Bit of fresh herb. But for me, that's beautiful. See you in 2 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. And that is absolutely beautiful. I love that. Really, really good. Now you can serve that with any sort of pasta that you want. I'm going to be using some linguine today, but it will work really well with spaghetti, penne, fusilli, whatever you like. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do leave us a little message. We'd like to hear from you. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.